This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing admin privileges and the exact auth method. This is essential because you cannot moderate without verified access. Once done, enable the moderator or admin tools in the server settings so the UI and commands appear. Make sure to record the admin token or Archon credentials. You will need them to authenticate from console or host tools. Also verify your account name in-game so actions map correctly to your identity, and then join the server with admin mode active. Now you access the moderator menu to perform actions and monitor behavior. You do this because quick, decisive steps prevent escalation. Use kick for brief removal, ban for repeated abuse, and teleport or freeze to contain a situation while you investigate. Check chat and action logs immediately to gather evidence. These logs explain what happened and justify your move. Once done with an action, leave a concise server note or public reason so players understand the rule enforcement and your decision-making rationale. To finish, log every moderation action with timestamps and supporting evidence so appeals can be handled fairly. This transparency is why moderators retain community trust. Make sure to revoke temporary powers or return server settings to their standard state and restart the server if changes didn't apply. If the moderator tools don't respond, re-authenticate using your admin token, verify host control panel toggles, and check for conflicting plugins. If problems persist, contact your host or server provider for immediate resolution and keep clear notes of steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.